Hey everyone, are you ready to turn those quick TikTok breaks into money-making moments? Today, I'm going to show you how you can make money with your online store just by tapping into the world of TikTok. I'm Tina, your trusted advisor at Sellvia. I've empowered already over 3,000 clients to succeed in e-commerce. With billions of users and huge selling power, TikTok isn't just for fun videos, it's a gold mine for businesses. So if you are not using TikTok yet, you are missing out on a huge opportunity. Let's explore how TikTok's magic can help you tap into this vibrant marketplace and skyrocket your sales. Tell me the truth. You find yourself scrolling through TikTok during your lunch break or while waiting in traffic, right? Me too, and we are not alone. Over 1.9 billion people globally can't get enough of those catchy videos. Now imagine tapping into that audience. Many of these users are not just scrolling, they are shopping. With users spending an average of 58 minutes a day on TikTok, think about the engaging potential for your products. It's a vast ocean of opportunities waiting for you. Let's dive deeper. You understand the power of visibility in modern market, right? Videos especially are not only more engaging, but also grab attention quickly, which is crucial in today's fast-scrolling social media environment. Social commerce is booming and it's expected to reach 1.3 trillion by 2026. TikTok is a key player in this market. Ever clicked on hashtag TikTok made me buy it? With over 1,800 billion views, this hashtag isn't just a trend, it's a shopping revolution. Imagine your product going viral like one of those dance challenges. Suddenly, everyone wants what you are selling. It's like supercharged word of mouth. With such potential for viral success, you might be wondering, what makes TikTok a dropshipper's dream? Videos on TikTok spread faster than news on a gossip blog, and they stick like catchy song in your head. This platform is built for impulse buys. With just a few taps, a viewer can go from just watching to just purchased. And with TikTok's algorithm favoring engaging content, your store will not just be seen, it will be remembered. All right, so how do you stand out on this crowded platform? That's where Sellvia's TikTok store tool steps in. This is just the right tool. It's your backstage pass to the TikTok marketplace. We set you up with the eye-catching videos and seamless integration with your online store. It's like having your own team of video producers and marketers, all working together to ensure that your products are the next big hit. Feeling excited yet? This is your chance to transform your TikTok scrolls into sales roles. Dive into the world of TikTok with Sellvia and start turning your creative videos into cash today. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more insights on making the most of your online business. Until the next time, keep selling smart and having fun.